price for 2 full years. Everyone watching this commercial and get the perfect plan for you and your family. 888-671-1035. Go to getviasat.com or call 1-888-671-1035 to sign up today or visit your local Viasat retailer.
It was in my house. I smelled it. You can smell it.
Nobody was in here.
You can smell it in here.
I was just cooking.
Baby, it was gunshots in my unit.
Mom, we were just out here.
Yeah, the police on their way, because see, they gonna smell it too. Yeah, somebody just shooting inside this apartment. Me, Bree, and Tania. Yeah.
I'm not doing no.
Tell them come here, yeah. Oh, bro, you need to come back too, because they're gonna want to talk to you. Okay? Well, that ain't gonna happen. Look at this motherfucking living room floor. With no fucking crane. Somebody just shooting this motherfucker. Who was it that was doing that?
Nobody.
Why would y'all crank something like that?
Mom, it's all over YouTube.
No, why was some okay? Well, the police coming, so y'all can show down. Y'all can show down. Y'all can show down. Y'all can show down. Some shit you don't motherfucking play. Some shit you don't fucking play. So, explain that shit to the police. That's what you do.